Hey y'all, come color with me. So coloring relaxes my mind. I used to do it a lot, so now I decided to bring it back. So yeah, come color with me. I made this box, y'all. It's a storage box. Well, I call it a stash box, and it's all I put my color pencils in. And yeah, I made this like some years ago. So yeah, you see my little color pencils. And then this is the markers I using. I also made the picture of myself. Yeah, y'all. So the picture I'm drawing, I made it myself. It's my name, of course. So yeah, I'm just coloring, y'all, relaxing myself. Sometimes, you just want to relax, y'all, and don't do nothing but just no TV, no nothing. Just sit quietly and just relax. So I took me a shower, y'all, and say, you know what, I'm gonna color. So that's what I did. I brought out my coloring pencils and my markers, and I went and printed out me a coloring sheet that I made and decided to color it. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. And y'all, these markers are so awesome. Like, so awesome. I love them. It's like so smooth. They feel like you painting. That's how smooth they are. But yes, I used to paint a lot. I used to paint and I used to color a lot. But yeah, so I guess I'll just bring these back. Well, I didn't record. We used to record myself coloring. So I decided, you know what, just turn the camera on and just sit and color. Um, just something different to do, for me. So I hope y'all enjoy and I hope y'all like it. Um, and of course, with kids, you're not always going to be able to have your my time sometimes. um, because my daughter, she just when she sees me doing something, she want to be all up on me and doing stuff. Like, girl, don't you know that I need my time too a little bit? But yeah, but kids gonna find something they want you to do. They want you to open something. They gonna want juice. They gonna want this and that just because they know you doing something quietly, and you just having your time to yourself. That's how kids do. But yeah, y'all. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. Coloring. I love the blue and the pink. It is too cute. I didn't have no idea how I was gonna color this, y'all. But I'm just going with the flow, whatever my mind think to do, and the color. That's what I'm doing. I'm not sure I'm gonna finish the whole coloring sheet because it's a lot of coloring to do, and my hands starting to cramp up later in this video. But yeah, I'll just come back later if I don't um finish it and show y'all when I do finish it. Okay. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna stop talking and let you continue watching. Okay. So y'all, right here my hand's starting to cramp up, so I just went ahead and just put it up and get ready to lay down. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, y'all, and we'll be back with another one. Okay, good night, y'all.